question, Rabbi. I heard there are 600,000 Jewish souls in the treasure of souls. If only 20% probably got out of Egypt, and the majority of Israel didn't leave Mitzrayim, doesn't mean they were Erev Rav or not part of the vault of holy souls?
No, there were souls. I mean, 600,000. I'm not sure where this number came from. I mean, it's a number of people who left the Egypt. I'm not sure where this number came from. To tell you the truth, because it says that 600,000 men, but guess what? It's only men from 20 to 60. But before 20, there were many people, and older than 60, there were many people, and guess what? There were many women from age of 0 until 100 or 200, whatever age, right? So they also had souls. So I'm not sure exactly how to understand that. And plus, each soul can be divided. Some like it can come as a part in different reincarnations. So I don't know.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.